What up, people? Welcome to another episode of Jekyll and Hydes. Today, we did a full transformation on this vehicle, and you guys are gonna love this one because we went in. We did about 6 upgrades, and this vehicle is totally different now. So take a look. This is an Audi 2008, right? And we did a full wrap on this. Not only did we do the wrap, we did the tint, we did the wheels, we did tint on the front, we did the badges. Guys, I'm gonna take you through it so you can see everything we did and get this appreciation. Let me start with the wrap, right? Take a look at this wrap. This is called Maritime blue, as you guys can see. And again, I haven't seen one blue that I didn't like. Blue always stands out, and it's great for the summer. Take a look at it, guys. It's a gloss blue, looks really good. We also complemented that blue on the side. If you take a look right here, we got this black, gloss black, right? That is also an upgrade. And as you guys can see, the combination of that blue and black really makes this vehicle pop. We also did tint, ceramic limo tint, all the way around, which gives it that privacy. It also gives it that protection that it needs. So as you guys can see, that really makes this vehicle look stealth, really slick, really fast, and really aggressive. Another thing I want you guys to take a look at is the badges. We blacked out all the badges. And while we're on the front, go ahead and take a look at those headlights, guys. We tinted those lights, and as you can see, those lights are tinted yellow to accent the yellow on the brake calipers. Take a look at these brake calipers, guys. These are reflective brake calipers. So guess what? They reflect at night. Not just your basic yellow, reflective yellow. That looks really good. Also, staying with the wheel, if you take a look at the wheel, we also did what we call triple bronze on the wheel. Guys, if you want your vehicle customized, upgraded, looking good, we are an option. Bring it on down to Jekyll and Hydes. We can take you from that 2008 package to that 2023 package. This is William Agnew, Jekyll and Hydes, R8. When you want yours done, bring it on down. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!